Hello, boys and girls. I hope you had a great weekend. Ms. Melanie sure did. Are you also ready for another fun week of learning? I know I am. And this week we're going to learn about ocean life, which are the plants and animals and other creatures that we could find in the ocean. Can you all say ocean life? Great. Let's spell it. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. L-I-F-E. Life. Ocean life. Good. So let's begin with what is the ocean? What is the ocean? Do you remember? Good. Yes, it's a body of water. Ocean is a whole body of salt water that covers nearly 3/4 of the surface of the earth. Can you say ocean? Good. Now, what is ocean life? Marine life, sea life, or ocean life are the plants, animals, and other creatures that live in salt water of the sea or ocean. Can you say ocean life? Good job. Sea creatures. What are sea creatures? There are about 1 million species of animals living in the ocean. That's a lot of different sea creatures. Can you say sea creatures? Great. Shallow water. Most ocean animals live in shallower water because there are more plants and animals to eat near the water's surface. See? Got to make sure they are closer to the food. Can you say shallow water? Excellent. Deep water. But animals also can be found in deep water, including within the ocean's deepest, darkest areas. Can you say deep water? Good. Yes, in the deep water, it's the darkest. It's very deep, so no sunlight. Smallest animals. Some of the smallest animals on Earth can be found in the ocean. Can you say smallest animals? Great. Good job. See the little tiny fish? But if they're smallest animals, there are also big fish. Big fish swim through the waters too. Can you say big fish? Good job. So there are big fish and there are small, tiny fish. But then there's also a blue whale. The largest animal ever to live on Earth is an ocean mammal called the blue whale. It's as long as 2 school buses. Can you say blue whale? Good job. And then there are other dwelling mammals like dolphins. They're mammals in the ocean. See? Dolphins. Can you say dolphins? Great. And then there are a whale. And there are different types of whales. Can you say whale? Excellent. And then there are sea lion. And there are different types of sea lions as well. Can you say sea lion? Good job. So those are the different types of mammals. And there are also, you can find penguins. Penguins are considered marine birds that live up to 80% of their lives in the ocean. And that's what makes them ocean animals. But they're actually birds. They live on land and they live in the water. 80% of their lives, though, they're swimming in the ocean. Can you say penguins? Great. And then there are other types of animals that live in the ocean that we'll be talking about this week. Do you know which one this one is? It's called a crab. Can you say crab? Good job. You know which one this is? Seahorse. Can you say seahorse? Excellent. And then there is, which one's this? Jellyfish. Can you say jellyfish? Amazing. Yes, look at them. They're very colorful, aren't they? And then there's this ocean animal. Do you know the name? Excellent, yes. Octopus. Can you say octopus? Great. And then this ocean animal has very sharp teeth and can be scary. Do you know the name? Good job. Yes, it's shark. And there are different kinds of fish as well. There is cod. Can you say cod? Good. Can you say, there's tuna. Can you say tuna? Excellent. There is blue tang. Very pretty fish. Blue tang. Can you say blue tang? Great. One of my favorite fish. The puffer fish. Can you say puffer fish? Excellent. Can you all pretend to be a puffer fish with me? So put your lips together and blow your cheeks out. You look like a puffer fish. Can you do it one more time? Then there is the clownfish. Can you say clownfish? Excellent. So those are the different ocean animals or sea creatures. Then we have, what are ocean plants? Various kinds of seagrass and other plants grow in the oceans. Can you say seagrass? Good. There's also seaweed. Seaweeds are plant-like forms of algae, are plentiful in the oceans. Have you been in the ocean? Have you seen how much seaweed's in the ocean? There is lots of seaweed. Seaweeds are types of algae that grow along seashores. Seaweeds often form dense growth on rock, shores, or in shallow water. Seaweeds attach themselves to the sea bottom or some solid structure. There are 3 different kinds of seaweed: brown, red, and green. And usually we see the green seaweed, right? When we're at the beach, sometimes it gets stuck to us, but that's seaweed. Can you say it? Let's say them all together. The 2 ocean plants. Seagrass. Good. Seaweed. Good job. Now, there is coral. However, corals look like plants, but they're not. They are sea animals that stay in one place throughout their lives. They are living. Coral is living. Corals can be very colorful underwater, but most types fade when they are removed from the water. Corals can be very colorful underwater, but most types fade when they are removed from the water. So they will fade. If you remove them from the water, they fade. Remember that. Okay? Good. Now, I'm going to read you a book about oceans. See? The title of the book is called Oceans, and you see there is an ocean on the page. So, I introduced you to ocean life and sea creatures and ocean plants and coral. Now I'm going to read you a book about oceans. And here we go. Plants and animals live in many different places. One of these places is the excellent ocean. Many plants, fish, and other animals live in the ocean. Most of them live near the surface of the water. There, sunlight makes the water warmer. So there are lots of plants and fish and other ocean animals that like to live near the surface of the water because it's warm from the sun. So they like to be in warm water. The ocean can be very deep. The deep water is dark and cold. No sunlight reaches this water. So it's colder in the deeper water because there is no, excellent, yes, sunlight. Many animals have learned how to live in the ocean. There are hundreds of different kinds of fish. Look at that fish. Many different kinds of fish. Some fish are as small as a pin. Remember I told you smallest fish? Some are bigger than a car. Remember, I showed you a picture of a big fish. Also, there's the big whale. That's a mammal, though. Fish come in many different colors. Remember the picture I showed you of ocean life? Do you see the different colors of the fish? Some fish can be scary. Sharks and other fish have sharp teeth. So we know a shark can be scary because look at those sharp teeth. Many fish live in coral reefs. Coral reefs are made up of the skeletons of tiny sea animals. The reefs are colorful and very beautiful. But do you remember what happens to the coral reef when it's taken out of the water? Good. They fade. They don't stay how beautiful and colorful they are if you take them out of the water. They have to stay in the water. Other animals live in the ocean too. They include crabs, eels, whales, dolphins, and turtles. Many animals in the ocean eat ocean plants. Many ocean animals eat plants that grow underwater. Some of these plants look like tall grass. Others have bright colors. So remember, they look like this, seagrass, or it could be seaweed. See? The ocean is beautiful and interesting. It is home to plants and animals that live nowhere else. It is a special place. In the end, I hope you enjoyed that book and learning about ocean life, the introduction. So you will know what the rest of this week we're going to learn about. And remember, what do I usually say on Mondays after a read aloud? Yes, I would like you to draw a picture of the ocean. You can draw coral in the picture if you want. You can draw seaweed. You can draw seagrass. You could draw all different types of ocean animals if you want. So you can draw the picture by using colored pencil, crayons, or markers, or you could paint your picture using paint or watercolor. Do whichever way you want and take a picture of your painting or your drawing. Also take a picture of you with your painting or drawing or making your painting and drawing and email it to your teachers. I will see you soon. Bye.